This is cabbage kootu.
Kootu can be best described.
It's a cousin to the humble dal, simple, wholesome, and deeply comforting. And this cabbage kootu, it's an easy recipe that makes a nourishing meal. First things first, let's get our dal cooking. About 4 tablespoons of moong dal washed. You can pressure cook it too if you prefer.
I'm gonna cook it in a pot.
Now we need 1 onion, finely chopped. And 2 tomatoes. Into a kadai, add about a tablespoon of oil. Then add a sprinkle of cumin and fennel seeds. Next goes the chopped onion and the green chilli. Saute till the onions turn translucent. Now add the tomatoes along with a touch of turmeric powder and a dash of sambhar powder.
Also a sprinkle of salt to taste.
Cook this down till the tomatoes soften nicely. Then add some coconut, sliced, slivered, grated. Honestly, anything works here. Switch off the heat and let this cool a little. Until then, let's get our cabbage chopped. About half a cabbage should do. Now let's blend the cooled mixture into a smooth paste. Back to the same pan, add the cabbage with a splash of water, cover and let this cook down. Let's check on the dal. We need the dal to be soft and mushy. The cabbage too has completely wilted down. This took me about 10 minutes. Now add the cooked dal to the cabbage and give it a good mix. In goes the masala paste. Let this cook for a few more minutes till everything comes together beautifully. Check for salt. Turn off the heat. Now for the finishing touch, in the tiniest bit of oil, temper some mustard seeds, a dried red chilli and a sprig of curry leaves. Pour that right over the kootu. And that's cabbage kootu for you. Paired with hot rice and maybe a side of puriyal, this makes for such a homely, comforting and satisfying meal. Hope you give this a try, and for more such recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Until the next time, take care and ta-ta.